anyways, moving on. So, you threw me off my train. All right, so we already know when we go into the home what the purpose is. We want to do have them sign the agreement to show unlisted property, and then we want to do the open house 7 days from the day. We need time to market it, and then we have them sign a 7-day agreement that we can show their unlisted home. We write in the special steps on it that we're allowed to market it, and then all we do is we can go and put it in the system and market it for 7 days on MLS, Zillow, all the realtor sites. Well, MLS will kind of, what do you call it, where it goes out to them automatically. All the different sites for 7 days. You put a 7-day agreement in there, and people show up for your open houses. Okay?
Hey, Anthony, question for you.
Yes.
The agreement to show the unlisted property, does it say that it's a 7-day agreement, or does it allow you to populate how many days you want to do the listing?
There you go. That part, second part. Okay?
Okay.
You can put any amount of days you want into it. All depends on, I mean, you only need 7 days to market it, right? You don't even need that many. You need like 3 or 4 or 5. Because as soon as the house pops up, people are going to come see it. If you got 2 great pictures, great, right? You're good.
Okay.
All right. So, so now we got all of that, the innovation, the marketing, the telephone number, the authorization to show the house. You guys don't worry about how you get paid. That's a whole nother train. I'm not going all day with this today. Juanita told me to keep it short. My training's short, so I'm keeping them short. And we will pick that up next week. So what I want you to do is now you have all the information you need to go after these sellers, to show up at their house, you have your FSBO backup plan, which is your for sale by owner home. I don't care if they listed it today, you still call them and you go by because you're in the area, right? No matter where you are, you're in the area because you're a hungry real estate agent that wants to make 200 grand a year. You go by the house, you don't ask them what time you can come by. And then you go over there and say, hey, listen, is it okay for me to bring buyers and sellers to the meeting? I mean, to 10 to 15 buyers and sellers next Saturday or Sunday from 1 to 2, 2 to 3. You're only going to do it for 1 hour. You set up a 1-hour open house and you have buyers that show up. You put it in MLS and you have buyers that show up. You export it out to all the different open house sites. You can do that either through Zillow or you can do it through MLS if you want. You don't really need MLS at all to do it, truthfully. You can, if you sign up as Zillow as a real estate agent, you can Zillow coming soon. I don't know if I don't want to go too far with y'all, but Zillow coming soon. If you don't have an account, you need one. Okay, post a Zillow coming soon to pre-market a home. Right here, guys. You should have an account. Okay, Zillow coming soon. Let me put it in the chat for you.